Can a buyer roll closing costs onto their loan? No. And yes. Typically, a buyer is going to pay 2 to 5% in closing costs based off the purchase price. In most cases, the lender cannot roll those closing costs onto the loan. But I have two options to share with you that could save you thousands of dollars. One, ask the seller to pay your closing cost. You may have to offer more in the sales price to ensure your seller still nets the same amount, but that typically has minimal effect on your monthly payment. Two, opt for a higher interest rate. Have a conversation with your lender. At times, lenders are able to offer a higher rate where they will make a profit on your loan and can take those profits and put it towards your closing cost. Either way, you need to have this conversation with your lender prior to writing your offer to help you save thousands of dollars at the closing table. Have questions? Check out the link in my bio, give us a call, or leave a comment below. Your mortgage mentor right here, Karen Snyder, always trying to help you get to closing table with ease.